Hi, I'm John Namira here at the Salt Lake City campus in Salt Lake City, Utah, the Stephen Henniger College. I wanted to talk to you today briefly about marketing to women. Marketing to women is not a tough process, but you just got to be careful with your audience, that your product and your marketing plan is directed toward that audience. First of all, develop a good marketing plan to know where you're going with it, what you're doing with it, and who you want to direct it at. Secondly, you want to know with your product which women, demographics with their age, with race, what they want, what their economic status is, that sort of thing. Then I would try to develop a test group. Get a selected group of women together so you can introduce your product. Develop a survey for that test group. Show the product, let them use the product, let them comment in your survey. What did they like, what didn't they like, what would they like to have changed? Do that as many times as you can, obviously, before you introduce your product to the market, to the general market. And then go ahead with your marketing plan, introduce it. For any more information on this topic or any other business topic, you can contact me directly at my email, jniemira@gmail.com.